someone who's nervous and is kind of maybe reluctant to start, my advice would be to first of all have a go, because you don't know where it's going to take you. Be bold, be brave. You won't get anywhere unless you have a go. You know, if you're sitting on the fence and you're reluctant to do it and you're beating yourself up and you're going around in circles and you're convincing yourself of all the reasons why you shouldn't do it, then you're not going to get anywhere. We all have to start somewhere, and every sketch starts off with a dot or a line, and then that line forms a composition, a structure, a shape, which then becomes coloured, and we add tone to it, and before you know it, you're adding all sorts of stories. But we've all got to start somewhere, and whether you're starting off at a complete beginner or you've not been doing it for a long time, you know, you've got to jump onto this creative process if you feel drawn towards it, because if you don't, you're missing out on this wonderful, wonderful opportunity. But I can understand people feeling nervous about it, because, you know, we put ourselves under an awful lot of pressure, and we all want to be good, we all want to get better, and hopefully, and I mean hopefully, the good thing about these courses is that I'm trying to show you how it works for me, what is successful for me, and the fun and the pleasure and the joy I get out of it, and hopefully that comes across. So it kind of hopefully inspires people to want to go and do it themselves. And, you know, no one's perfect, no one gets it right all the time. I mean, I get it wrong all the time, but I'm just really lucky because people don't seem to notice. But I'm always making mistakes and always getting things wrong and always making an absolute mess. But I'm quite good at hiding it.